Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to this 10-minute bedtime yoga session that will help you relax, calm your nervous system, and prepare your body for deep restorative sleep. We will be doing asanas that will be focused on your shoulders, spine, and hips, along with deep breathing. So you can do this practice either on your mat or bed. We'll begin in child's pose. Knees nice and wide, big toes to touch. Bring your palms onto the mat or bed. Here you can simply stay here, drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of the mat. If you can go lower, come onto your forearms. Again, bringing your forehead towards the mat. You can always place a pillow or stack your palms one over the other, rest your forehead. Bringing all your awareness to your breath. Noticing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. With every breath, letting go of the day so far. Next time you exhale, letting your body soften, hips sink further towards your heel. Stay here for 2 more breaths. The next time you inhale, slowly come up. You can continue to keep your eyes closed, allowing my voice to guide you. Bring your knees together. Hips come directly over your knees. Walk your hands forward. And slowly lower your chest and forehead towards the mat or bed. If the stretch feels a little too much, you can always bend your elbows. You can also place a pillow beneath your chest. Stay here, Anahatasana, your melting heart pose. Gently opening your chest. Creating a lot of length in your spine. Those who want to can reach your hands forward. One more deep inhalation. Completely exhale. And slowly as you breathe in, come to lie on your belly. Sending your right hand towards the right side of the bed or mat, in line with your shoulders. Turn, come to lying on the right side. Your left leg can come behind your right thigh or in front. Your left palm comes to rest directly in front of your chest. See what's comfortable, stay here. Noticing a nice stretch all along your shoulders and chest. Palms are facing down. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Now we're going on the other side. Come back to lie on your abdomen. Send that left palm in line with your, or left arm in line with your left shoulder. Roll towards the left side. Coming to lie all along the left side of your body. The right foot either behind your left thigh or in the front. See what feels comfortable. Bring your right hand to rest directly in front of your chest. You can close your eyes. Stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. Two. And one. Release. Come back onto your abdomen. Press your palms into the mat. Like you're coming to tabletop. And now slowly slide your right knee directly behind your right wrist. Right foot behind your left wrist. You're going to come into Kapotasana or Pigeon Pose. You can stay here just dropping your chin in the direction of your chest, or you can go onto your forearms. This is completely up to you. And doing all these poses on your bed or your mattress, actually, there's a lot of give in a mattress, and it kind of cushions all your joints, so it can be very relaxing. Drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of the mat. And here, if you think you can go further, just send those arms out. Rest completely. This is a great hip opener. Supta Agnistambhasana, resting pigeon. Just remember, you're not shifting all the weight onto your right hip. Distribute your weight evenly on both the legs. Feeling a nice stretch all along the outside of your right thigh and hip. And a nice opening where your left thigh joins your torso. Now as you inhale, slowly come up. Bring that right leg to rest on your left leg. Agnistambhasana, fire log pose. Reach both your hands forward. Drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction again of your legs. You can go further. Try and bring your forearms on the mat. And you'll notice with practice, you'll be able to go deeper. The longer your exhalation, the deeper your inhalation, the more your body relaxes. The more your body relaxes, you can get deeper into your poses. As you inhale, slowly come up. Change legs this time. Left leg stays in the front. Right leg, send it back. Pigeon pose. Stay here, dropping your chin to chest. Forehead in the direction of your knee. Or go all the way into reclined pigeon. About 3 to 5 breaths. In each pose, you can stay up to 30 seconds. Next time you inhale, slowly come up. Bring your right leg to rest on the left. Reach your hands forward, drop your chin in the direction of your chest. Always in your stretches, come to a point of discomfort, stay there. Focus on your breath with every exhalation, trying to let go of the discomfort. Next time you inhale, slowly come up. Just straighten your legs. Bring your right foot on the outside of your left leg. Just relaxing that knee wherever it lands. If you can stack the knee one over the other, great. If not, just let it be there. Collapsing your upper body into your lower body. You'll notice a stretch all along the back of your extended leg. Ardha Gomukhasana. Palms face the ceiling. The more your body relaxes, the more deeper you're going to feel the stretch in the back of your legs. The stretch is never painful. There is discomfort, but it also feels good. Now as you inhale, slowly come up. Change legs. Drop your chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knee. Just letting your whole body collapse. Now as you inhale, slowly come up and come to lying on the mat or bed. Hug your knees towards your chest, releasing any tension in your lower back. Stay here in Pavanmuktasana for a breath or two, and then slowly straighten both your legs. Bring your hands to rest on your abdomen. Close your eyes. Bringing all your awareness to the movement beneath your palms, noticing the rise and fall of your abdomen. You can continue to stay here for as long as you want to. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. I hope you feel completely relaxed both in body and mind and ready for a good night's sleep. If you are new here, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you thought this class was valuable, please like and share. Namaste.